We planted the seeds about 4 inches apart with about a 90 to 95% success rate on germination. We hit them once with fish emulsion fertilizer. You might have seen the harrowing video, the tractor video of me plowing and disking. This is the field I was plowing and disking, and this is what I was planting, is pumpkins. So we're right here beside the creek. These rows, maybe even this row, are all jack-o'-lantern and carving pumpkins. And then these here, smaller, are actually giant pumpkins, so they won't have but like 1 or 2 pumpkins on them. Then over here, these are getting started, and those are smaller decorative gourds. But we're gonna walk out here, and I'm gonna post up pictures of I'll show you pictures of all the blooms and stuff. This is evening time, so you don't actually get to see any blooms during the evening. I'm just out here with the hoe, doing some hoeing and stuff, but I'm just going to take you a walk through the way you can kind of see. Get out here, they're real heavy out here. Okay, then you can see this type of leaves. Those are Cinderella pumpkins and a spooky blend. So it's going to have like white pumpkins and different colored pumpkins. And then there'll be the Cinderella pumpkins. And then on down there, in this row, past the stick part, is the Jahara blue pumpkins. As you can see, the blooms are closed. There's a bunch of blooms that looks like they're going to do good. But from the end of that row to the end of that row, that's 350 feet. So yeah, it's longer than a football field. It's really thick out through here in the middle. And just so you see, I've got some rows tucked there.